Hello, I'm Samara Sazesh, a customer success specialist with Keysight Global Services. We work with communication customers daily who are under intense pressure to innovate while delivering quality products to tight tolerances. One customer in particular designs and manufactures very complex technical products used every day in electron and optical devices around the globe. These devices perform to specification and ensure seamless communication. Their R&D and production teams are known for their quality and precision, but sometimes they need additional technical application help with complex measurement and test applications. When this happens, they would contact Keysight and we'd begin the order process to schedule an application engineer to provide technical assistance. Getting access to technical expertise would take about a month for this customer to obtain the necessary approvals that would allow things to move forward. They were starting a new project and the typical process would not work. We looked at their Keysight install base across all locations and reviewed the services we were providing. We were augmenting their internal calibration lab and providing calibration on both high-end instrumentation and loaners to ensure optimal performance and uptime. This customer was already receiving technical support for all Keysight Care-enabled products, but this didn't cover some of their older test systems or technology-related needs. We created an innovative plan that had not been done before. Instead of only offering a subscription support for software, we also offered subscription support for instrument application expertise. We saw an opportunity to close the existing gap. We proposed site-wide Keysight Care technical support that would entitle all of their engineers to call us for technical help for any instrument. But we knew they needed even more, so we added support coverage that would provide their teams access to Keysight applications experts for complex technology and test questions. This saved their R&D and manufacturing teams a month of downtime and they got to market faster, avoiding the frustration and pressure of feeling a schedule slip. Instead of working to raise a purchase order, they immediately connected with application experts and got the answers and support they needed.